Welcome everyone to my new presentation on HotCoin cryptocurrency exchange spot trading tutorial. I'd like to share with you all the steps that you need to know. And before we get started, make sure to grab your account with the ability of 3,060 bucks exclusive newbie rewards. It doesn't matter if you already have an account, you can sign up from a different email because they have no KYC needed. It's VPN friendly as well, so you can use VPN, no KYC. You can sign up a brand new account or so. The link is in the comments area to sign up for this specific invitation code and for that bonus right there. Enjoy, fellas, assuming you already have an account. This is the main page. Now you obviously need resources before you can trade and buy cryptocurrency, exchange cryptocurrency, and perform the so-called spot trading, which is most likely representing the fact that you're buying the quantity of that crypto itself, right? So if you want to buy, for example, with USDT, 1 Solana, you purchase 1 Solana and you can cash out that 1 Solana out of HotCoin platform and move it to your mobile wallet or Ledger wallet or whatever wallet externally out of the platform, right? So you buy the quantity of the token and you can move it. This is what the spot trading means. It's not the leverage, it's not with the futures market, it's not longing and shorting, which happens internally on the platform. No, this cryptocurrencies can be taken out if you want, or simply leave it in your wallet of your spot, right? So it's simple. You need to have some cryptos to exchange. Right? You can have USDTs, you can have whatever BTCs, Ethereum, whatever cryptos can be exchanged on the platform. But you can also buy crypto with credit card if you think that's something you were interested. From the top left corner, you have that option too. And at the same time, I'm going to walk you through the process. I just deposited $56 right here. So we got the deposit tab where you deposit, on the type of cryptocurrency and the blockchain you care about. I just said in my other video, Tron or BNB, they're the best to deposit cryptocurrencies, USDT or USDC, right? That's also very nice to deposit. And let's get to the spot trading tab. How do we exchange? How do we buy crypto? On the top left corner, you have the trade tab, and that's where it says spot. This is the place where you can exchange crypto with ease. You're going to have a dashboard introduction which looks like this, fellas. It's quite simple and straightforward. We're just waiting for this one to load up. We got a chart, we got a type of the cryptocurrency, selection possible from the top left side, right? This is the place. If you hold your cursor or if you click basically on that one, you will be able to see the type of cryptocurrencies available. All categories and all sorts of things out there. Even you can have your favorites by clicking on the little star right next to the symbol right there. But let me just explain it this way, right? Let me just grab my paint tool and share with you, right? So you have the little star out there that you can utilize basically to favor. You have the price section. You have other details basically listed right there of the cryptocurrency you're watching. You have the order book, people willing to buy and sell right there with a live price section. You have a bunch of the details that you pretty much care about. Of course, the most important thing is right here on the right side, which allows you to purchase and sell the cryptocurrency, right? Buying or selling, this is where everything happens. Let's do it, fellas. Let's say that we're going to buy some cryptos. I'm going to, buy some, let's say Solana, right? It's simple. We're going to go to USDT, which is something that I deposited. USDT, very important to select exactly that one. And we're trying to go for, Solana. Might be here between the tops, or I might have to search for it, right? Simple. I'm going to write here Solana, and I'll get my USDT form. I'm going to also add it to my favorites. Click on that, and it brings you the Solana chart with Solana trading page. Beautiful. On the right side is pretty much where everything happens. You can buy or sell. That's the first thing you want to make sure you're doing correctly. And then you have the limit order and the market order possibilities. Limit order means that you can buy at a specific price that you decide. For example, if I want to buy this cryptocurrency at 205, then I'll just say 205 in terms of the price, right? Which means as soon as the price is going to hit 205, because it's not 205 right now, it's 212. As soon as the price is going to hit 205, I can buy, let's say 50% of what I have. And, that would be 0.13, Solana. I got an available balance, which is listed right there on $56. So I would buy 0.13 quantity of Solana. I just click buy Solana. And my order is going to appear here in the chart, 0.13 Solana at 205. If the market is decreasing to that price, automatically when the price is touched, my order will be filled and I'll have my Solanas purchased consisting 0.13 as quantity of Solana at that price. Simple and straightforward. I can pretty much scroll down on this page, right? And I'll see my order, which is going to be pending right here in the open orders. If I don't like this one, because for some reason, I don't think that price is good or whatever reason, I can modify or I can cancel the order from those two buttons, but I got all the details here with my pending one. Simply cancel the order and it's going to get deleted, right? This is how it works. Simple and straightforward. It also tells you, for example, if you want to buy, let's say, $30 worth, you can also write your amount in the USDT form right there. If you want to decide based on USDT, $30 worth of Solanas will be 0.14, so you can also go that way. You can also drag the percentage progress bar depending on your available balance. So there's many ways that you can pretty much go around this buy thing. Let's do a market order, which is different, fellas. The market order will not allow you to decide the price. The market order will take the best price existing in the order book, which means the best price of Solana is being sold right now, and that's always represented with a red color. Those are people willing to sell. You also see the amount of Solanas, right? So, it's just, a few cents away basically from the live price. And it's always getting triggered, right? Because with a limit order, you don't know if you get triggered. The market might not touch your price that you're considering. That's a possibility. But if you do a market order, which is something quite simple and nice, then it's 100% your order is going to get filled. And then you just say that I like to buy $50 worth of Solana as market order, and I'm just going to click buy Solana. And I'll have my Solanas bought. There's going to be a little logo here with a B letter. It tells me basically what's the average buy price. And I, clearly have $6.62 left in USDT. And the rest of it is in, Solana. I will also have the ability to check the order history here and see my actions that I performed. I also have the ability to see my balances here. Right? I got 0.23 Solanas, which is worth $49.88, right? So I paid probably 12 cents for this transaction. That's my, fees. And I got my Solanas that I'm holding right now nicely. What can I do is I can basically go to my wallet on the top left corner here. I can go to my spot account because this is the place you're buying basically from the spot. And you will be able to see your Solanas right there. This is my Solana, my available balance. It tells me how much, is it worth it, right? Evaluation, and, how much we have paid, 213.26 cents, right? It's not basically how much we have paid for the Solana. It's the value we purchased Solana at. That was the price of one Solana at $213, right? So if it's 250, then your Solana increased from $213 to $250, an increase of $37 per each Solana. We got 0.23 and pretty much comes out on a profit for us. Beautiful. You also have the assets overview page where you will be able to get into the details of it. But now you can cash out your Solana, for example. If you go to the withdraw page, there's many ways to go to the withdraw. You want to make sure to enable your two authenticator, select your crypto Solana, select your address, network Solana, the amount, and you're good to go, right? You have to add security measures such as your Google Authenticator has to be turned on to cash out. You need the Google Authenticator app, and that's, free, it's easy, and you're good to go with that one too. Right, so this is how you buy, how you take your resources out. Now let's sell basically our Solana. We have to get back to the trade spot. We're back on Solana's page. From the top right corner, instead of sitting on the buy, I'm going to be on the sell. And I have the ability to sell my available balance, which is showcased right there, through a limit order or through a market order. How does it work in a limit order? Well, let's say I would like to sell the Solana. I'm expecting resistance at 220, right? I'm just going to select 220 as a price. And then if I want to sell the entire position, I'm just going to take this progress bar to 100% here. Make sure it's 100%. And I'll be able to sell all my Solanas for $50.60 if the price is touching that. Clicking the sell button, the price is touching that 220 mark. So we have made a limit order that will appear basically on our page. It's updating right now. 220, there you go. 0.23 Solanas. We're going to sell our quantity nicely. It appears under the, open orders right here. It's waiting to be completed. As soon as the market goes there, it's automatically going to be sold and we're going to have our profits. Very nice. You can modify, you can cancel, just like I share with you when you buy things. This is how it works. Now, what if I want to sell it right now? I go to the market order. The market order is going to be the best price existent. And I just want to, take this maximum available to the right side on the progress bar, hit my sell Solana, which will get sold basically, and completed like that quite nicely. We're going to have, B and S on our chart, right? So the place we bought, 212.92. The place we sold, 213.13. Great. There's a little profit out there, of course, a few cents. Order history, you can have a look at that. We spent basically $50 and we got back 49. So we had basically to pay, the fee representing $1 that we have lost doing this specific order, right? Between the buying and the selling, we have spent that dollar commission to perform this activity. Obviously, if you're buying and selling pretty much at the same price, you're not going to be able to cover your fees. But as soon as the market is going slightly above, it's right there covering everything. That's how you buy and sell on the spot. That's how you perform trading on the spot. That's how it works, fellas. For any questions, let me know in the comments area. It is a reliable exchange which works nicely, fast, smooth with a lot of the cryptocurrency options to trade. No KYC needed, and it's friendly with the user, especially that VPN is allowed. Now, if you care about futures trading with leverage, I have another video talking about it. Make sure to check out on my channel. I also have a complete tutorial and review on that. So subscribe. And for those of you that care about education in terms of becoming part-time or full-time traders, I have my one-on-one coaching program page describing how does it work. This is an intensive coaching where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks on live conversations on Zoom one-on-one, where we do exercise. I share screen with you. We're doing homework, we're live trading, we're performing on the markets, and I'll walk you through the process basically in order to perform just like a professional trader, which always trades just like the market requests him to trade. You need to have all the knowledge starting from the mental side into the technical, into the risk management, into the charts, patterns, strategies, and everything that functions in this field as a complete puzzle. You need to have that bag of knowledge to be applying it, and of course to beat the markets. This is for spot futures. This is for all kinds of trading methods out there, available for other currencies as well, available for other markets too, not just cryptos. So find out more and qualify for a free call with me. Register now for more details. Check out the video to understand clearly how does it work. Read around the page and enjoy, fellas. We'll talk to you soon.